How to install GloriaFood online ordering system to your hotel website in Softinn CMS. Your hotel would like to do online food ordering for your hotel restaurant as a side income. Hence, you would like to install the online food ordering system to your hotel website. GloriaFood provides the free online food ordering system for restaurant. Check out his video on how to install GloriaFood online ordering system to your hotel website in Softinn CMS. Log in to Softinn CMS. Select the correct property. Click on Blog. Click on Add New Blog. Fill in the necessary information, such as cover photo, blog title, blog URL, and blog content. Then, log in to GloriaFood. Select Legacy Website under Publishing. Select Yes and click Next. Click in I'll do this myself. Then, copy the 2 and 3 part of the HTML code. Go back to Softinn CMS. Click the HTML code icon. Then, paste the code you have copied from GloriaFood into where you want the order button to show up. Insert meta title, meta description and upload the meta image. Tick on Publish. Once done, click Save Changes. This is how it looks like on your hotel website. The GloriaFood ordering button is reflected. This is your hotel menu and the price will also displayed here. Let's install GloriaFood online ordering system to our hotel website in Softinn CMS now.
Hi, thank you for watching our video. My name is Aisha and I am customer onboarding executive at Softinn. My role is to assist with sale and account setup. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.